Today we're going to be replacing the battery and the key fob for the Audi. To get the key out, there's just a small clip on top of it, and that pops out. Same thing on the other side, small clip, push both sides together, and that'll release the tray that holds the battery. Make sure you've got a new one on hand. Peel the sticker off, and then put it back in the tray facing the same way as when you pulled it out. Now it's time to put it back together. So same way, make sure you remember which way it goes round. Make sure it clicks. Replace the key. Again, make sure it clicks. And then finally, the cover. And there you go.